Yo, I'm Micks Mowers and Man, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little tiny quick job on this Stihl fs40 that I picked up from my local recycle centre that was not running or sold as not running. And I believe this machine to be absolutely brand new. It's 2014. I don't think it's even worked. I don't think it's done a minute's work in its life. That's the truth. My mate Tom did say pull the muffler off, Mick, the old muffkin off, have a look inside there, but in the last video you would have seen, Tom is right, pull the muffler off, but do you know what? For what it is, I'm going to say it's pretty much brand new or sold as new because it's done nada. So in this little video, I'm going to show you how to fit the a Stihl feed bobble head on the top and also the grass deflection shoe, and then that should make this complete. I can then run it, tune it if needed, and then get it sold. It should fetch a pretty penny come the season. So that'll be that. If you want to see more videos like this from Micks Mowers and Man, hit the subscribe button and whack the old bell. Set notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty. Let's get this fs40 fully kitted out, ready for sale. Right, first things first then, open the old packet with the old grass deflector on there. I'm going to open that up. Can't believe it didn't supply with a nut and bolt. Come on, man. 21st century. Open the old child-proof packaging. Now, lots of people don't even put the guards on here, but if I'm selling it, then I would like to sell it with it. Yeah, the right one for the job. That's one I ordered, so that's cool. So the C62 goes with the 4140 710 8101A bob head, and this is a bob head one because it dispenses. See? Okay, so fitting one of these strimmer heads could not be simpler. Just make sure your strimmer's got one of these bits on it here. If it's been taken off, you want a new one of these, a little tiny clasp there. You don't want one of those because this will fit directly up in top. You see how it's countersunk here. So all it does, that just literally just sits up, goes through the main body, and it will. It's a bit tight, but it will go. He says, and I will. It's got to. It might just want a bit of prizing open, but it will just go up inside there. There it goes, it's a bit tight. Let me get a pair of long nose pliers and just have it in reverse just to open them up. Just to try and get that to sit over top. If not, what you can just remove that clamp first off and fit it over top. I made a bit of a hash job of it, but it will go. I know it will. Yeah, because you can't get that in over top of that, so it's got to go like that. It goes. It's just because it's new. So that sits over top just like that. So make sure you're getting that. Sit straight over top like that, and then now I found a little tiny stainless steel bolt, which I can then slide into there, and we'll do that up. Now the idea is that just snugs it up nice and tight because the bolt at the back of this metal bracket, that's actually what's going to hold it in place. So that's all good. The dog's whinging. So just nick that up gently. Now you may still have the bolt for yours, but nick that up gently just so it sits up in place. And all we're going to do is just take a bit of weight on that, and that'll just clamp around the shaft and just hold that nice and still. Still. So what I did there? Nice and still. Still. Did that. All right. So nick that up. Now that is not going to go anywhere because, as I say, it's been clamped at the back. Lush. So that's on now. And now what we've got to do, really simple. This hexy bit goes on first, and that's going to go up onto that little tiny nut just there. So just slide it up on, and then push it sort of in, and then just twist this centre piece, just the centre black piece here. Just tighten that up. and eventually it will just catch. I think it's starting to go now. There it goes. I think we're going. Here we go. Here we go. Just wind it on. Nothing could be more simpler. Hand tight is all it needs. From the truth. And there you go. There's your new bob attachment fitted. Just cut your cords level with the blades. Once about 10mm off, give or take. And that'll be correctly loaded. A bit more. That'll be correctly loaded onto for your engine to be tuned correctly. So I'm going to take it outside now. And we're going to try and tune this carburetor if it needs it. Bear in mind, I deem this machine to be absolutely brand spanking new. I don't believe this machine has done anything other than just get thrown away. I think someone bought it from brand new and they just threw it away. Buy a machine, throw it away. That's what I think happened. Because it looks brand new to me. So we're taking it outside, have a little look, see how we get on. Hopefully it'll run a bit better now, because in the last video it ran like an absolute bag of poop because it didn't have no load on it. You've got to have a load on it, same with chainsaws and disc saws, that sort of stuff. You've got to have the equipment running with it to make it run right. If it doesn't, then it won't. So meet you outside in 2 ticks. Right, so bob head now been fitted and the new trimmer guard as well. So now we're good to go. So hopefully, let's wipe it down a touch. Hopefully we'll all be good to go now. So I've not started this for a couple of days now because I've been busy doing other bits and pieces, but I'm now hoping that this should now start up, run, and also run properly, because now it's actually got a Strimmer head attachment on it. I can sell it. So this, I believe this has done nothing. I truly believe that. I don't normally would say it's done something if it had or hadn't. So I think it has done no work at all. That's my belief. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I think it's done. It's absolutely brand new. It just looks tiny bits of dust mark on which I can get off. That's no problem. That's all coming off just by wiping it by hand. So I have absolutely no problems selling this bit of kit at all. But either way, stop sitting there polishing it, Mick. Let's get it started up, see if it'll run, and see if it'll run better with a new guard on it. So the new guard cost me, and a bob head cost me about 30 quid for the set. So I'm happy with that. Onto choke. And we may have to tune it, we shall see. Choke in, throttle on, pull it. Let it warm up just for a second. Absolutely happy, pleased as punch right now. I'm not 100% certain. I'm gonna double check. I don't think it does, but that metal bit I took off, I'm pretty sure that does come off. That's for a different head, a different guard, I believe. That's on the side, ain't going nowhere, but it can't fit on anywhere else with that little tiny. No, it can't do. No, that's it. That's how that goes. So that's cool. So what do you think of that? A brand spanking new 9-year-old Strimmer. It's done nothing. Absolutely nothing. Brand new. Why did somebody throw that out? I'm intrigued. Leave me a comment in the comment section below.